In this section, I'm going to be showing you how to fray your jean and the idea behind locking stitches like this. Let's start by drawing. When cutting it out, you want to cut it ½ inch or ¼ inch outside the chalk line. Take your time to pin your work. Let's work on the idea behind the locking stitches. You want to start by adding hemming gum at the middle of each design. After ironing that part, you want to focus on adding hemming gum to the edges of the parts of the design so that when sewing that part, it doesn't shake. As you can see, that part is not shaky anymore. Fun fact you should know, this stitches is mainly a zigzag stitch, but my machine has a setting where I can widen the stitches and also tighten the stitches, so that's why I did that, makes it look like this. Now let's get to the fraying part. And I pinned my design before sewing, but if you want to use hemming gum in this part, the only part you can use it at is at the middle of the design. You don't want to put it at the edge because we are trying to make it fray. You want to use ½ inch around the design. Anything smaller makes your fray much more small, so the bigger the space, the bigger the fray. Now you're done sewing, it's time for us to use the seam ripper. Start by using your scissors to mark the part you want to make fray. After doing that part, you want to use your seam ripper to scratch those parts you marked, and you're done. So I followed that same pattern everywhere, and that's how I got this outcome. Not necessary, but if you have a washing machine, you can put it for a few minutes so that it removes any part of the fray that is temporary, so you know that it's just the permanent fray that is left there. But you can also do that by hand washing. And this is the basic knowledge you need for locking stitches and fraying jean material.